Question 15. A recipe calls for 3 2/3 cups of flour. If you double your recipe, how much flour will you need? Okay. What does double mean? If you double something. And let me just give you a quick, an easier problem. If a recipe called for 5 cups and you had to double it, what would the answer be? If you double the recipe, you'd need 2 times 5 to give 10 cups. Do you agree with that? Right? So in our case, we've got to double the 3 2/3, don't we? So we need to multiply it by 2. Now 3 2/3 is the same thing as 3 plus 2/3. See that? So we can go 2 times 3 plus 2/3, right? And what we're going to do is, in fact, the distributive property. We're going to double this, right? So we can go 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times the 2/3. And that would be 2 times 2/3. But we can write the 2 as 2 over 1, right? So 2 times 2, multiply the tops, 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 6 plus 4/3. Now, we now got to put this, write this as a mixed number. 3 into 4 goes once, remainder 1. So 1 1/3. So 6 plus 1 1/3 makes 7 1/3. There's another way of doing it. If we didn't want to use the distributive property, we could have converted the 3 2/3 into an improper fraction. Okay, what's that as an improper fraction? 3 times 3 is 9, right? 9 plus 2, so you go 3 times 3 plus 2 over 3, which gives 9 2, 11/3. Okay? And so we could simply go twice 11/3, right? Which is like 2 over 1 times that, which gives 2 times 11, 22, over 1 times 3, 3, which gives what? 3 into 22 goes 7 times, remainder. 3 into 22 goes 7 times, remainder 1, 7 1/3. So either way, the answer would be 7 1/3.